Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to add fields in Docusign, the leading platform for electronic signatures and smart agreement management. Whether you're preparing contracts, forms, or approvals, knowing how to add fields correctly can save you tons of time and make your documents foolproof. So let's dive right in. Accessing Docusign first, open your favorite web browser and go to the Docusign website. Click the login button and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your Docusign home, which is essentially your command center for managing documents. Here, you can see all your drafts, completed documents, and templates, initiating Field Edition. To add fields, click the Start button to begin a new document process. Enter your recipient's details, including names, email addresses, and any custom message you want them to see. This ensures your document reaches the right people in the right order, adding standard fields. Next, click Next to move to the Field Edition screen. Here's where the magic happens. Docusign offers standard fields like signature fields for capturing signatures, date fields for important dates, text boxes for extra input, and more. Simply drag and drop the fields onto your document wherever you want them. Make sure they're placed logically so the recipient knows exactly where to act. Best practices for field placement. Think like the recipient. Ask yourself, does this flow naturally? Are all the required fields included? If your document has multiple recipients, consider the order in which fields need to be filled. Correct placement ensures a smooth signing experience and avoids unnecessary back and forth. Review and finalization. Once all fields are added, carefully review your document. Check that every field is correctly placed and all required information is captured. This final check is critical. It prevents errors and saves time later. Once satisfied, you're ready to send your document out for signing, and that's it. Now you know exactly how to add fields in Docusign efficiently and professionally. It's a simple but powerful step to make your documents smarter and easier for everyone involved. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.